fixing to go. Well, we're trying to rush right now to go to the pig race. Starts at 2. They told us it's way back there, so trying to rush right now. I've never seen a pig race before, but I guess I'll see it today. And guys, honestly, I went on only 2 rides, and man, them 2 rides is just enough for me for the day.
Well, mama, I know someday you're gonna find yourself a new love. Because when you love down hard, it just makes my home. Yeah, you better let me down real easy.
Guys, I don't know where I start smelling pig, so I guess I'm getting closer. Honey, you see the pig part yet? Oh. Stagnant water. Guys, I think I'll overdress for this one. So they told us, well, based on what I read on the computer. Honey, did you ask if it's down this way? We never asked them there, so you can ask them. Somebody go ask them. The pig race. Oh, see, it's a good thing we asked.
Go be on the other side of the school bus, you'll see a trail that'll go back around. You know where the park is and the playground area?
No.
All right, so go straight and you'll see a red building on your left-hand side. Just follow the trail around it, you'll run right into it.
Red building. Thank you so much. Oh, that was a nice cop. So yeah, we were going the wrong direction. Honey, we gotta speed it up. See, it's a good thing we never waste time for go down at the hill there.
We'll leave 1:30.
Oh my God, guys, we can't afford to miss this pig race. Like for real. We're not only supposed to tired come off here carry Zion because we're rushing. Oof. Must run this way. Pork chop, don't. Most that the matter, don't. Eh? Only me out of breath, I can't hardly breathe.
Yeah.
Alright guys, looks like we made it to Pork Chop Downs. Yep, so we gonna see some pig race. Maybe right, Tessa? We're finishing line there. Where? Oh, okay. Man, this place is big. Guys, finally made it to the finishing line. All right, I think this would be a good. Huh? All right, guys, so there are the pigs. I'm so excited. Guys, comment below if you've ever seen a pig race. 'Cause I've never seen one. Comment below.
How do it? I said, how do it?
ready to see some pigs? Good. I'm so excited for y'all. Get to witness what I get to see every day. My name is Owen. I'm the head trainer here at Yesterland Farm. We are here at Pork Chop Downs, the #1 testing facility and training center for the National Domestic Pig Racing Association and training center to put these pigs through all kinds of wind sprints and weight training and plyometrics, and we steroid test these pigs 3 or 4 times a week to make sure you're going to get clean pig racing right here at Yesterland Farm. Are you excited about that? These are the top. These are the tippity top pig athletes in their arena. And I'm so excited you get to see them. So what we're going to do is, we'll go ahead and get it started over here. Let's see. 3, 1, and
I was trying to pick one a while ago.
Well, let's see. You see how big that pig was, Baskin?
Them are blue pig, red pig, and white pig. I don't even know which one of them win. But I suppose the blue pig's supposed to win. Blue pig have a track record, 3 track record, don't?
That was pretty cool.
Alright, I guess we're gonna go again.
People that might bet their house, and I don't want that to happen, so we get a chance to put these pigs back in the gate, and we're gonna race them one more time. Second thing is we're going to have the baby pigs afterwards, so y'all don't go anywhere because the baby pigs are going to change your life.
When else? Yes,
all right, here we go. We got one more pig here. Get in the gate. Has anybody done the corn maze yet today? Sebastian, is your red team ready? Kelsey, is your green team ready? All right, sounds good. Here we go, we're going to count it down from 3, 2, 1, there we go.
Come on, piggy! Come on, blue pig! Come on, blue pig! Come on, blue pig! Oh man, green wig, oh man.
Just by the hair of his chin.
Man.
Can't believe it. Doubles, I'm so sorry. I was really rooting for you.
Man, blue pig did not win again.
I'm not in charge of
green pig won
I just want to make
twice.
sure they do.
I'm mad.
Now, I told you we are a training center, so we start training these pigs from a very young age. Now I'm talking about
pig, yeah, we don't know.
bitty pigs. Okay. What is the
Pig ain't have too much hamburger, man.
I
swear.
Oh. There goes the little
piggies. There goes the little piggies. There goes the little piggies' eyes. There go the little piggies. There go the little piggies.
Does it just get you emotional? You're talking about you.
I'm gonna try still. Little piggies.
It happens every day.
Guys, I hope you enjoy this little pig show.
I always tell those kids, I mean, they say things like, you know, you're so handsome. Such a great show.